Today we are going to learn some special methods of division. In that first method, number splitting method. So whenever we are going to divide a big number by a single digit, we can split the number into 2 or 3 parts. So let us see the first example, 682 divided by 2. Here we split the number into 2 parts, 6 separately and 82 separately. Now divide each number by 2. So 6 divided by 2, 3, 82 divided by 2. So we get answer 41. So 682 divided by 2, we got the quotient 341 with a remainder 0. See the next example, 1599 divided by 3. So here we split the number into 2 parts, 15 separately and 99 separately. Now divide each number by 3. So 15 divided by 3, we get 5. 99 divided by 3, 33. So our answer is 533. So this is our quotient with a remainder 0. See the next example, 27,483. Since it is a 5-digit number, we split into 3 parts, 27 separately, 48 separately and 3 separately. 27 divided by 3, we get answer 9. Now 48 divided by 3. So 3 table, 16 times 48. So write down 16. Next 3 divided by 3, we get answer 1. That is 27,483 while divided by 3, we get the result 9,161, which is our quotient with a remainder 0. See the next method, division by 9. How to divide any number by 9 quickly without doing the division. Let us see how to do it. So our first example is 25 divided by 9. So what is our first digit here? 2. Remainder 2 plus 5 how much? 7. So this is our answer. So let us check whether it is correct or not. 25 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. So 25 minus 18, we get the remainder 7. So our answer is correct, 2 remainder 7. See the next example, 51 divided by 9. Write down the first digit 5, remainder. Add these two numbers, 5 plus 1, 6. So this is our answer. See now another example, 66 divided by 9. Write the first digit here, 6, remainder. 6 plus 6 how much? 12. So remainder cannot be greater than the divisor 9. So what we need to do? Remainder 12 no. So write 2 here and the first digit as carry. So what will be your answer? 6 plus 1, 7. Remainder. So actual remainder is 12. From that remainder, subtract our divisor. 12 minus 9, how much you will get? 3. So our remainder will be 3. So our answer is 7, remainder 3. That is quotient 7, remainder 3. Now let us see big number how to divide by 9. Here our example is 3401 divided by 9. So what we have to do? Let us see. Write the first digit 3. Now add this 3 to the next digit. 3 plus 4, 7. Now again this answer add for the next digit. 7 plus 0, again 7. Now again this answer add to the next digit. 7 plus 1, 8. So our answer is 377 with a remainder 8. So 377 is quotient and remainder is 8. Once again I am explaining this last example. 3401 divided by 9. What we have to do? First write the first digit as it is, 3. Now 3 plus 4, 7. This 7 answer add to the next digit. 7 plus 0, again 7. Now last digit 7 add to the next number 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. So what is our answer is last number will become as remainder and rest of digits become quotient. So our answer is 377 with a remainder 8. See the next method, division by 99. Our example is 2,13,423 divided by 99. So what we need to do? Write the first number as it is, that is 21. Now add this 21 to the next two numbers. So 34 plus 21, how much you will get? 55. Now add this 55 to the next number. So what you will get? 78. So our final answer is 2155. This is our quotient and last two digit becomes our remainder. So very simple. See that 2,13,423 divided by 99. What we have done? Split the number into parts. So take first two digits as it is. Now add this 21 to the next two numbers. So we got 55. Again this 55 add to the next two digits. Then we get 78. So while we are dividing with 99, last two digits we are taking as remainder and rest of all numbers becomes our quotient. So our answer is 2155 with the remainder 78. See the next example. 1,21,416. How to divide by 99. So write our first two digits as it is 12. Add this 12 to the next number 14. So it becomes 26. Now this 26 add to the last two digits. Now the value is 42. So our final answer is 1226 quotient with a remainder 42. Once again I am going to explain this example here. So our sum is 1,21,416. When number splitting, we divide the number into parts. So 12, 14 and 16 separately. Then what we have to do? Write the first two digits as it is 12. Now this 12 add to the next two digits. So 14 plus 12 we get 26. Now this 26 add to the last two digits 16. So 16 plus 26 we get 42. Since we are dividing by 99, last two digits will become remainder. So our answer is 1226 quotient with a remainder 42. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.